Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching this from. This is Agyenkwa First Academy, and I want to just do a quick analysis on gold for the upcoming week. So, this is how our week ended, and then we have we still have gold in a bullish momentum, all right? So, we should still be expecting some highs. But then, in the meantime, this is how our week ended with this price pushing to the upside and then sellers pushing price all the way down here, and we closed around this area. Now, this area here is uh, resistance. Okay, price broke into this resistance and then pulled back again, and it closed here. So we have this long wick here. Well, there's a possibility for gold to come down, but then let's drop down to the daily time frame and see what we can find there. So on the daily time frame, we see this level here where price is testing. That's a resistance we marked on the weekly time frame, where price is testing right now, and then we see price coming down with a bearish candle. So let's drop down to 1 hour and then see what we can find there. So on the 1 hour time frame, we see price testing these areas here. So this is our support here, and then this is the resistance here. So price came to hit the support, and then it's on its way back. So right now, what I can say is price could rally to the upside, break this resistance. Since we are in a bullish trend, we are looking for buys. Okay, so until we see any sign of a sell, fine. So price came to test this uh, support, and now we are going to the upside. So we may see some. So if you want to take this trade, you are taking this trade to this resistance here. Price could either reject this resistance down here, or price could break out of this resistance. We wait for a retest, and then boom to the upside. So these are the two scenarios we are looking at in respect to gold. Now let's look at BTC quickly as well. So BTC weekly, for BTC, you see price test coming to tap into this support area. We saw this impulse move to the upside. Then we have price coming to correct this impulse move, and then we see price rallying to the upside. So let's mark our current week and see what we can find there. So that means we find BTC as bullish as well. So let's go to daily. On the daily time frame, we see these levels here that BTC is testing. So let me so this is a level here that BTC is testing right now. Okay, this is what caused. So this is what we are looking at. And we see that BTC is moving gradually to the upside. It's consolidating to the upside. So whatever you do, don't sell this market. This market has to be bought. So you may want to look for an entry in this area here. So BTC can fully tap into, if only they've not tapped into it already. So this area here, and then this area here to the upside. So this is our 1 hour projection for BTC. All right, so that's all for now. I'm trying as much as possible to make my videos very short so that I can get the analysis. And remember, forex trading is about managing your risk, and having money to trade the next trade. Okay, to take the next trade, because if you don't have the money, you cannot take trades. And right now, market is highly volatile, especially gold. It's highly volatile. So when you are going on your lot sizes, you should be very careful which lot size you take. The lot sizes we were taking last year, when you take those same lot sizes this year, you find that the leverage on it is higher, and so it's more volatile. So you have to be able to calculate your risk well. Use, if you are using similar lot sizes, or you reduce your lot size so that you reduce your loss. And mind you, this season will either put a lot of money in your pocket or take a lot of money out of your pocket, depending on the direction you take. And always trade with a trend, guys. Always trade with a trend. So I'll see you again in the next one. And remember, Agyenkwa No Aba.